People all around the world love to own adorable, cute birds. There are many types of birds in this world, but some of them are famous and prominent for their marvelous beauty and cuteness. Some of them have different colors. Some have shiny surfaces. Some have strange looks. And some of them have the ability to sing charmingly. In this video, we are going to reveal most adorable, cute birds in the world that you might have not seen before. So, let's get rolling. 12. Painted bunting. This painted bunting bird belongs to the cardinal family. Its male member is often described as the most beautiful bird in North America and is therefore nicknamed as nonpareil, or without equal. Painted bunting is famous all over the world for its delightful and appealing body. It has a dark blue head, green back, red rump, and underparts. This cute bird is about 12 to 14 centimeters long and weighs 13 to 19 grams. They feed on grass seeds such as panicum, amaranthus, euphorbia, and oxalis. 11. Atlantic puffin. A species of seabird belonging to the auk family. It is also called as the common puffin and breeds in Norway, Iceland, Greenland, Faroe Island. This gorgeous-looking bird is mostly found on the Westman Islands, Iceland. This bird swims on the surface of the sea and catches small fishes for food by diving underwater using its wings for propulsion. It has a black crown and back, white underparts, and pale gray cheek patches. Both males and females are almost the same in appearance, but the male is usually slightly larger. Generally, it flies 10 meters above sea level. 10. Mountain bluebird. This adorable mountain bluebird is a medium-sized bird that weighs 30 grams and is about 16 to 20 centimeters long. It is also known as the Arctic bluebird. This lovely bird is also the state bird of Nevada and Idaho. The lifespan of bluebird is 6 to 10 years in the wild. It is mostly found in Alaska, Canada, and in the west of the US. This adorable bird mainly feeds on grasshoppers, spiders, flies, and other insects. Males can be seen singing at dawn just when the sun rises. Their eggs are pale blue, however, sometimes white. 9. Male bearded tithead. Male bearded tithead is a small bird that is also known as the bearded tit. It is about 16.5 centimeters long and has a long tail. Male is gray with black mustaches, while the female is pale with no black mustache. This stunning little bird was first described by Carl Linnaeus in 1758 in his Systema Naturae. It lives in the temperate regions of Europe and Asia. 8. Crimson chat. Crimson chat belongs to a species of small bird found in Australia. This beautiful, adorable bird is also known as the tricolored chat. They are about 10 to 13 centimeters long and weigh 10 to 11 grams and have a brush-like tipped tongue and long, thin legs. In breeding season, usually, the males are more brightly colored in order to attract a mate. Crimson chat is pretty alluring and is found in the central part of Australia from the west coast to the Great Dividing Range, and from the tropics to the south coast. 7. Ruby-throated hummingbird. This cute ruby-throated hummingbird, scientifically known as Archilochus colibri, is a species of hummingbird. During winter, it is found in Central America, Mexico, and Florida, but in summer it migrates to eastern North America for breeding. The upper parts of this stunning bird are metallic green, while the lower parts are grayish-white with black wings. This species of hummingbirds have the largest breeding range among all other species of hummingbirds. 6. Bananaquit. Bananaquit, scientifically known as Coryba flaviola, is found in the warmer places of the Americas. It is known worldwide for its beauty. This bird is small-sized, having a length of 10 to 13 centimeters, and weighs about 5.5 to 19 grams. They have dark gray upper parts, black crown, white eye stripe, gray throat, and yellow chest, belly, and rump. This beautiful little bird sucks nectar from different flowers but does not pollinate plants. It has an amazing ability of quickly adjusting itself with human environments. 5. Peach-faced lovebird. The peach-faced lovebird is also known as a rosy-faced lovebird or rosy-collared. This fascinating species of the lovebird is found in the regions of southwestern Africa, such as in the Namib Desert. These birds gather in small groups in the wild and are very social animals. They are found in different colors but are mostly green with a blue rump. These lovely birds are famous for their sleeping position, in which they sit side by side and turn their faces to each other. Mostly, they eat seeds, berries, and crops such as millet. 4. American goldfinch. This lovely American goldfinch bird belongs to the finch family. During the breeding season, this small-sized North American bird migrates from mid-Alberta to North Carolina, and from south of Canada to Mexico in winter. In summer, the male is vibrant yellow and an olive color during the winter season, while the female is dull yellow-brown shade. To attract a mate, the male shows brightly colored plumage during the mating season. This stunning bird is social and is mostly found in flocks during flight. 3. Brown Garrigon. It is a small passerine bird local to eastern coastal Australia. This beautiful bird was previously known as the brown warbler. Its upper parts are deep olive gray or olive brown, while its face and underparts are paler grays, cream, or washed out brown. It is about 10 centimeters long and weighs 5 to 6 grams. They are found in dense coastal rainforests, moist scrublands, in dry forests, and also in mangroves. These alluring bird species eat mostly small insects. 2. Goldcrest. Goldcrest is a small-sized passerine bird belonging to the kinglet family. It is also known as the king of the birds in European folklore. This bird is named Goldcrest because of its beautiful, colorful golden crest feathers. Its upper parts are greenish, while the underparts are whitish. It has a plain face and 2 white wing bars. Goldcrest breeds in coniferous woodland, and about 10 to 12 eggs are incubated by the female. This appealing bird is about 8.5 to 9.5 centimeters in length, the smallest European bird. Goldcrest weighs 4.5 to 7 grams and are exclusively insectivores that they feed on small insects such as aphids, springtails, and spiders. 1. Cuban Toady. Cuban Toady tops the list of most adorable cute birds in the world. It belongs to the family Tatidae and is limited to Cuba and adjacent islands. This gorgeous, lovely bird is about 11 centimeters long and weighs 59 grams. Its coloration includes iridescent green dorsum, pale whitish-gray underparts, red highlights and throat, pink flanks, yellow lores, and blue ear patch. Its bill is black on top and red on the bottom. Cuban Toady is found in dry lowlands, evergreen forests, coastal vegetation, and near rivers and streams in Cuba and its surroundings. Its fascinating body makes it the most beautiful bird in the world.